Welcome back, Pat. This is your boy, Raf. We're going to be covering a series, a 3-part series, so it'll probably be a 3-week series of Patchy Beards. There has been tons of questions since I created that video on how to deal with your patchy beards, and I've gotten emails. People have reached out to me on Instagram and asked me multiple questions on what steps I took to fill out my beard and have it to start growing. Everybody has different genetics, different steps, different approachment, different budget. So this is going to be a budget-friendly video on how to fix your patchy beard. If you're seriously into growing this, subscribe, like, and hit the little bell. That way it will notify you when I release a new video. Common mistakes for patchy beards. That is going to be the #1 series for the #1 week. Like I said, if you're getting some stuff into it, you're interested in this, hit the like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell. That way you know when I release a new video. And I'll see you soon. Peace.